Genesis, this is my world of fun. Join the adventure, we only just begun. There's no limit to what we can do. Just wait, watch all our dreams come true. Come with me, yeah, just play. Every moment is a sunny day. We laugh and sing and dance this way. Come with me and just play. Subscribe to Afro TV. Guys, it's me, welcome to Genesis World of Fun. And today we're at the Alpaca farm to see some alpacas. I can't wait to explore this. Are you ready to explore this? Yes. I have my unicorn. It's the first time here. And it's my first time here too. We're 20. We're African 20s. Well, let's go. I can't wait. Vamos. Get it? Vamos.
Hi, welcome to Alpaca Lane Creations.
What's your name?
My name is Sue. What is yours?
My name is Genesis.
Genesis. What a beautiful name.
Thank you.
Would you like to feed some alpacas?
Yes, please.
All right. We can do it. Come on in. Here's your bucket of food.
Thank you.
You got it? Okay, we're going to go see the boys. Here are the boys.
Bada beat, bada bang. It's Afro unicorn thing.
Flitz and the white-nosed reindeer. Come on in.
Oh, she's Mexican. Oh, hello there, Genesis.
He's done like Chica.
This
is the baby.
Mama Alpaca, who is quite magical today.
Baby's 15 months old. He's telling them, I don't want you eating my food. I want to eat all this food.
Boys are crazy. Do one at a time with Uncle already. After they eat once.
This is the baby, and he's...
To hold this, it's so heavy when they pull it down.
Should have bought Divine, you know she's strong. Check out my bang gang.
They eat like they haven't ate like for 100 days.
I know. Isn't that crazy?
100 seconds, actually.
Yes.
You feed them sometimes, but people come over to feed them.
That's their barn, and they sleep in the barn every night. Do you want to see the inside?
Yay! You're gonna escape for these fellas. Because they're gonna keep following.
No, you stay in here. Nice try.
Oh, fuzz bubbles. Just call me Boo.
Oh, yeah.
This one's eating a little bit.
Thunder. Boom, 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 boom. It's the alpaca snacker. Yummy gummy.
Girls are nice and everything, but some boys. The boys are more crazier than the girls.
Yeah? This one's getting a drink of water. They drink a lot of water when it's hot like that.
Just drinking water and minding my business.
Yeah. Thunder was my firstborn.
I'm her favorite. I came in like thunder.
We're going to go in. You want to stay away from the back end of the alpaca?
Oh my lord, is that Genesis? It's you. Nice to meet you. Look at that Afro unicorn girl. Oh, you're so unique, divine, and magical. Oh man. Yum.
Oh, you must be Viola. Where's unique, divine, and magical? Oh, this is so good. Anybody want some? Alpaca llama is so good. Come back. Come over here. I'm not done.
What's the boo called?
It's Mama Alpaca.
Doesn't matter. It's good.
She's going to have a baby.
Oh my lord, it's Genesis. I'm such a big fan.
Bella, she's real friendly and she likes little kids. The one that he's videoing, the light brown one. What's her name? Angel Eyes. Yeah. So she's about 10 months pregnant, so she's got about 2 months more to go.
Oh, they did 12 months?
Yeah.
That's right. 12 long months. Then voila, magic. It's an alpaca, baby. This is so good. Is she wearing rainbow alpaca? Never mind.
I think that's the one that she says the name, remember? That's the one with the right.
You guys, I think the rainbow's following us. She's still looking? Oh yeah, she's still looking. Turn away.
They eat grass too. It's cool. That's all I gotta say. That's all.
It's called the alpaca snacker. Look at me smacking in your face. Hey Genesis, I'm talking to you, Genesis. You can't hear me? Oh my alpaca. Oh, I definitely can speak. Watch this. Ooh, you wanna bring that bucket back over here? Where you going? Bring it back. I can speak. And I can sing too. Yeah, I can sing like Unique.
Okay. And everything in the shop is alpaca with one exception.
I think I have something in the shop.
Yeah, but we sure wish we had some of them Afro unicorn gummy snacks.
I know you can't see the alpacas, but I'm actually amazed. It's an Afro unicorn. This llama alpaca snacker is pretty good too, though. I'll be right back with you guys. I'm really happy to have you here. Oh my lord, this is so good. Oh my god, it's so magical. Just amazing. Genesis is so good, I swear. This is just so good. I'm just gonna stand here and chew some more. Hold on. Oh wait, oh wait. Oh man, that was so delicious. It made me itch.
Look at that girl taking a selfie. Oh yes, that feels Afro-tastic. Oh, but I gotta go. I'll see you later there, Genesis.
They've probably been in the rain the whole time. That's why they're wet, or they got washed off.
So does that make us Afro-alpacas? Oh my lord, she's a cheetah alpaca crop unicorn.
And I named my stuff, I forget.
Really? Well, these are registered, so there's they come with a name already. Yeah. I buy them from Mother Farm. Now, if they're born here, then I name them. Uncle Puff, Diamond.
Oh, yeah, the bottom part is dry. Oh, yeah, it's so you can feel like
Jared?
really warm and dry.
Why Jared? Do you like the name Jared?
I'm a rainbow alpaca. They're like a whole mother lion group. Look at you. Look at it. You know, they love eating grass too. That's why there's a lot of grass. They make sure they have a big field with a lot of grass. Because you know why? They like grass and the llama food. Yes! Anyway, do you see the llamas? Right there, I was just staring at them. And I think they don't want to be bothered. I think they're just going around. They need to see humans right now. So, just have to leave them alone, Violet.
Bruh.
Come on. Whee! These ones want to be seen. Those ones don't want to be bothered. But these ones do.
Oh lord, supply, itch.
Well, Afro-tastic me now. Wow, rainbow alpaca. A rainbow alpaca, live on the farm. That girl is magical.
We're going to the shop. We can buy all kinds of things. Look, I see a llama. I mean alpaca, not a llama. I'm gonna make chocolate. This is our chocolate.
Yeah, milk chocolate. Good. Yeah.
Oh, how nice.
Yeah. And she got a little alpaca
Oh, a brown one.
chocolate.
Chocolate? Oh.
He's brown like chocolate.
You sure is.
Guys, we got all of the llamas fed. Time to have a diggy dance party.
Just play. It's a sunny day. Let's go, let's go.
Well, I hope you had a nice day to see the alpacas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye bye. Wait, don't forget to subscribe to Afro TV. Bye. Laugh and sing and dance this way. Come with me